Welcome to the digital age, where your online presence can make or break your business. Let's dive into effective digital marketing. First, understand your audience. Knowing who you're talking to is the cornerstone of any successful campaign. Tailor your message accordingly. Content is king, but engagement is queen. Create compelling content that invites interaction. Remember, a conversation is a two-way street. SEO isn't just technical, it's your digital lifeline. Optimize your content to ensure you're not just seen but also heard online. Social media is your playground. Use it to connect, not just broadcast. Authentic interaction can turn followers into brand ambassadors. Lastly, analyze and adapt. The digital landscape is ever-changing. Use analytics to understand what works and tweak your strategy for better results. By following these tips, you're not just reaching out, you're resonating. Welcome to the next level of your digital marketing journey.